Hi, do you mind introducing yourself to the camera?
Oh, I'd be glad to. My name is Teresa. I'm a native New Yorker. I'm 67 years old, a grandmother of 4, and I'm a retired teacher.
Awesome. So, can you tell us, how did you find Dr. Devgan?
I found Dr. Devgan through methodical research. I originally was looking for a product for my skin, but it had to be medical grade that didn't really hurt my skin, and through my research I found Dr. Devgan's products, and that's originally how it started.
And what made you decide to see Dr. Devgan?
Well, through this research, all the different questions I had, I kept following the path, and it kept leading me back to Dr. Devgan. All my questions were answered through my research.
So what were your concerns coming into the appointment, and what were you hoping to achieve?
I think I'm not sure I had concerns, because by the time I was so confident that I had found the right doctor, I just wasn't sure what could be done, the ideas I had, and that's when our conversation began.
What procedure types did you end up doing?
I came in requesting fillers for jowls, for under my eyes, and I ended up really having a liquid facelift, is what Dr. Devgan called it.
And what did you think?
Well, I will tell you, I was so pleased, I am so pleased, and through having those procedures, I realized that there's just so much you can do with a filler, and as we age, gravity is no one's friend. So I will be coming back for other things in the future, but I'm very, very happy.
What was your overall experience with Dr. Devgan?
Oh, my overall experience was simply such confidence, such peace, because when I got in here, starting with the phone call to the people who answered the phone, answering my questions, coming in, finally meeting Dr. Devgan, having an honest yet compassionate discussion about my anatomy, it was all so positive. I'm just thrilled.
What would you say to someone else in your shoes who is also considering a treatment similar to yours?
Well, I would say to everybody, I can only go by my experience, and I think the hardest thing to do is make the first phone call. You have so many doubts, you're not sure if you're bothering anybody even asking those questions, but make the phone call, and everybody is willing to answer all your questions.
Similarly, do you have any advice for other patients who are also looking for a plastic surgeon?
Oh, yes, I would say you have to do your own research, figure out what you're comfortable with, who you're comfortable with, and there is so much research out there through social media, and you get a sense of surgeons' personalities, their demeanor, and you really are the one that can choose somebody that matches your personality.
Do you have anything else that you would like to add or say?
Well, I would really say to those who are looking to just feel better and to look better on the outside, to match how you feel on the inside, make the phone call. That's the first step.
Thank you so much for your time.
I'm happy to be here.